Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Parenting a Beautiful Experience. In today's video, I am sharing a quiz on some basic general knowledge questions about India and states and capitals of India. So let's start with our quiz. Where is Taj Mahal located? Agra, Delhi, Mumbai or Chennai? And the correct answer is Agra. How many states are there in India? 27, 28, 26, or 25. And the correct answer is 28. How many union territories are there in India? 8, 9, 10, or 11. There are 8 union territories in India. Who is the father of our nation? Rabindranath Tagore, Mahatma Gandhi, Ambedkar, or Jawaharlal Nehru? And the father of our nation is Mahatma Gandhi. When is Independence Day celebrated? 15 July, 26 January, 15 August, or 25th March? And the correct answer is 15th August. When is Republic Day celebrated? 26 January, 15th August, 22nd March, or 28 January? And the Republic Day is celebrated on 26 January. When is Gandhi Jayanti celebrated? 2nd October, 15th August, 26th January, or 22nd March? And the correct answer is 2nd October. Which is the capital of India? Kolkata, Chennai, New Delhi, or Mumbai? And the capital of India is New Delhi. Who is the Prime Minister of India? Rahul Gandhi, Amit Shah, Manmohan Singh, or Narendra Modi? And the Prime Minister of India is Shri Narendra Modi. Which is our national animal? Lion, tiger, elephant, or bear? And the correct answer is tiger. Which is our national bird? Pigeon, sparrow, peacock, or crow? And our national bird is peacock. Which is our national flower? Rose, lotus, lily, or sunflower? And the correct answer is lotus. Which is our national currency? Dollar, pound, euro, or rupee? And the correct answer is rupees. What is the capital of Jammu and Kashmir? Jammu, Dehradun, Jaipur, or Raipur? And the capital of J&K is Jammu. What is the capital of Himachal Pradesh? Lucknow, Shimla, Chandigarh, or Ranchi? And the correct answer is Shimla. What is the capital of Punjab and Haryana? Jammu, Chandigarh, Dehradun, or Bhopal? And the correct answer is Chandigarh. Which is the biggest state of India? Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, or Punjab? And the correct answer is Rajasthan. What is the capital of Rajasthan? Patna, Jaipur, Mumbai, or Delhi? And the correct answer is Jaipur. What is the capital of Gujarat? Bhopal, Jaipur, Gandhinagar, or Chandigarh? And the capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar. What is the capital of Uttar Pradesh? Patna, Gandhinagar, Lucknow, or Dehradun? And the capital of Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow. What is the capital of Madhya Pradesh? Raipur, Panaji, Ranchi, or Bhopal? And the capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal. What is the capital of Maharashtra? Shimla, Mumbai, Dehradun, or Panaji? And the right answer is Mumbai. What is the capital of Karnataka? Dispur, Bangalore, Imphal, or Raipur? And the capital of Karnataka is Bangalore. What is the capital of Tamil Nadu? Chandigarh, Shimla, Chennai, or Raipur? And the right answer is Chennai. What is the capital of Goa? Panaji, Shimla, Mumbai, or Delhi? And the capital of Goa is Panaji. What is the capital of Bihar? Dispur, Bangalore, Patna, or Raipur? And the correct answer is Patna. What is the capital of Jharkhand? Dehradun, Shimla, Jammu, or Ranchi? And the right answer is Ranchi. What is the capital of Orissa? Dehradun, Bhubaneswar, Jammu, or Ranchi? And the right answer is Bhubaneswar. What is the capital of Chhattisgarh? Dehradun, Mumbai, Shimla, or Raipur? And the capital of Chhattisgarh is Raipur. What is the capital of Andhra Pradesh? Chennai, Mumbai, Delhi, or Amravati? And the correct answer is Amravati. What is the capital of Telangana? Hyderabad, Panaji, Delhi, or Kolkata? And the correct answer is Hyderabad. What is the capital of Arunachal Pradesh? Shimla, Itanagar, Delhi, or Bangalore? And the correct answer is Itanagar. What is the capital of Assam? Bhopal, Jaipur, Dispur, or Bangalore? And the correct answer is Dispur. What is the capital of Manipur? Lucknow, Shimla, Imphal, or Bangalore? And the right answer is Imphal. What is the capital of Mizoram? Jammu, Aizawl, Imphal, or Chennai? And the right answer is Aizawl. Now, who was the first Prime Minister of India? Ambedkar, Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, or Subhash Chandra Bose? And the first Prime Minister of India was Jawaharlal Nehru.